Making a movie can be a lot of fun and also a lot of work. That work starts long before the camera ever starts rolling in a process called pre-production. Pre-production is, as its name suggests, the part of the filmmaking process where all the planning takes place before you start shooting. Writing the script, making a breakdown, and putting together a schedule are all part of the pre-production process. Let's take a look at the pre-production process for our Helicopter Days short film. The first thing you need is a script, and to write the script, you need a good idea. Brainstorming time. Think about what you're trying to communicate with your film. What idea are you trying to get across? The thesis of your book report? Your opinion on a news story? In our case, we needed to make a video that would demonstrate as many movie production techniques as possible in a single short piece. So we needed to write a script that included a couple of different camera angles, some sound effects, some dialogue, and a couple of transitions and effects. The script begins to take shape. Don't forget that screenplay format has been developed the way it is for a reason, and it tells you a lot of useful information, like when a new scene or location starts, just by the formatting. So now that you know about slug lines, action, and dialogue, you can write a real professional-style script. Once you've got your script, it's time to start planning. Break down your script into locations, actors, and props so you can make lists of everything you'll need to gather together, and then, well, start gathering. We know that we need a radio, so that goes on the breakdown. We also need 2 male actors to portray our dramatic leads, Joe and Steve. We also need to find a living room to shoot in. Remember to start asking for permission early so you can schedule your shoots accordingly and to give people enough advance notice. It never hurts to be as nice as possible to the people who are donating their time and maybe their homes to your movie shoot. Then sit down and really get into the nitty-gritty of storyboards and shot lists. This is where your movie will start to come to life, and you begin making important decisions about the look of your project. If you're on a tight schedule, you don't need to storyboard every scene, but working on the most complicated scenes will probably save you time in the long run, especially once you get to post-production. In our case, we're going to draw out the climactic scene where Joe turns on the radio, so we make sure we cover the scene well. And don't forget about those shot lists. You'd hate to spend all day shooting and get home only to realize you forgot the crucial shot. Movie making can be really fun, but it's always good to remember that a little planning, as unfun as it might sound, can go a long way towards making your movie-making experience go smoothly. And without it, the whole thing could get a lot less fun pretty quick. There, we've got our script, our breakdown, our storyboards, and permission to shoot in a friend's living room. We're ready to start the production process.